Hello, the second resource I found that I would like to use in my classroom is Jeopardy Labs. It has the templates already made, or you can make your own. And what I like about it is that you can find a game on any subject. I teach fifth and sixth grade science, so I would probably pick um, one of the science ones or make my own. But they have other ones for other subjects. All Jeopardy templates. You can click on that, and it will bring up a list of different ones you can choose from. The goal for using Jeopardy Labs is to be able to do a formative assessment with the students to review the content that we've learned, and this can also be a review for the upcoming test. My intended audience is the students. That way, the students can play this game. They like the competition. They earn points, and it just makes them excited and want to do the content information, the quizzes and stuff like that while they're playing. And I feel that they would like it. So this is another one that I picked so that I could get the information to my students in a funner way. Thank you.